Waiting for a friend.
Did you wait for me at the café?
Yes, I waited for about 20 minutes.
I'm so sorry for being late.
It's okay. I had a coffee while waiting.
Thanks for being patient.
No problem.
Waiting for the bus.
Did you wait long for the bus this morning?
No, I didn't wait too long. It came quickly.
That's good. The buses are usually late.
I know, but today I got lucky.
Hopefully it's on time tomorrow too.
Fingers crossed.
Waiting at the doctor's office.
Did you wait long at the doctor's office?
Yes, I waited for almost an hour.
That's so frustrating. Why did it take so long?
The doctor was running behind schedule.
At least you finally got seen.
True, but it tested my patience.
Waiting for an appointment.
Did you wait for your appointment yesterday?
No, I didn't wait. They saw me right away.
That's rare. Usually there's a long wait.
I know, I was surprised too.
Well, lucky you.
Definitely.
Waiting in traffic.
Did you wait long in traffic this morning?
Yes, I waited for almost 30 minutes.
That's terrible. What caused the delay?
There was an accident on the highway.
That explains it. Hopefully everyone's okay.
I hope so too.
Waiting at the airport.
Did you wait at the airport for a long time?
Yes, I waited for 3 hours because my flight was delayed.
That's awful. What did you do while waiting?
I read a book and had some coffee.
At least you found ways to pass the time.
True, but it was still exhausting.
Waiting for a call.
Did you wait for the call from the company?
Yes, I waited all day, but they didn't call.
That's so disappointing. Did you try calling them?
No, I'll try reaching out tomorrow.
Good idea. Don't let them keep you waiting too long.
I won't.
Waiting for the rain to stop.
Did you wait for the rain to stop before leaving?
No, I didn't wait. I just used an umbrella.
That's brave. Didn't you get wet?
A little, but it wasn't too bad.
I'd have waited. I hate getting wet.
Sometimes you just have to go.
Waiting for a delivery.
Did you wait for the package to arrive?
Yes, I waited all afternoon.
Did it finally come?
No, it didn't. I'm so annoyed.
You should call the delivery company.
I will.
Waiting in line.
Did you wait in line for the tickets?
Yes, I waited for almost an hour.
That's a long time. Were the tickets worth it?
Absolutely. The concert is going to be amazing.
Then it was worth the wait.
Definitely.
Waiting for the train.
Did you wait for the train this morning?
Yes, I waited, but it was late again.
That's so frustrating. How late was it?
About 15 minutes.
At least it wasn't too bad.
True, but it still made me late for work.
Waiting to cross the street.
Did you wait to cross the street?
Yes, I waited for the light to turn green.
That's good. It's safer to wait.
I always follow the traffic rules.
Smart move. Better safe than sorry.
Exactly.
Waiting for dinner.
Did you wait long for dinner to be served?
No, I didn't wait long. It was ready in 20 minutes.
That's quick. What did you have?
Pasta with a side salad.
Sounds delicious.
It was.
Waiting at the post office.
Did you wait in line at the post office?
Yes, I waited for almost half an hour.
That's annoying. Was it busy?
Very busy. Everyone was mailing packages.
I hate waiting at the post office.
Me too.